What does word bird see? Word bird sees a hole in a tree. Who lives there? Squirrels. Hi, squirrels. Word bird sees a hole in the grass. Who lives there? Rabbits. Hi, rabbits. Word bird sees a hole in the house. Who lives there? A mouse. Hi, mouse. Word bird sees a house made of sticks. Who lives there? A beaver. Hi, beaver. Word bird sees a hole in a mound. Who lives there? Ants. Hi, ants. Word bird sees a pretty shell. Who lives there? A turtle. Hi, turtle. Word bird sees a funny shape. Who lives there? Bees. Bye-bye, bees. Can you read these words with word bird? Tree, hole, mound, ants, squirrel, grass, turtle, rabbit, house, mouse, funny shape, sticks, beaver, and bees. Bye-bye.